Sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times on, followed by opening mantra. Om. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओम। Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Our today's topic is respiratory system. So let's move towards respiratory system. What is respiratory system? It is a network that coordinates together to perform the process of breathing. It is a network that coordinates together to perform the process of breathing. You do not have to think to breathe. You do not have to think to breathe because respiration is a part of your autonomic nervous function. You do not have to think to breathe because respiration is a part of autonomic nervous function. However, yogic belief claim that by controlling your breath, you can control all aspects of being. Yogic belief claims that by controlling your breath, you can control all aspects of being. Science reveals that your breath is an access point. Science reveals that your breath is an access point to regulating your nervous system. we take breathe 12 to 20 times per minute. We take breathe 12 to 20 times, 12 to 20 times per minute. The purpose of breathe is to get oxygen. The purpose of breathe to get oxygen to cells and to get rid of carbon dioxide and to get rid of carbon dioxide as a waste matter. Now next point is type of respiration. There are two types of respiration. The first one is external respiration and second is internal respiration. So what is external respiration? External respiration is exchange of respiratory gases, means the exchange of oxygen and CO2, exchange of oxygen and CO2 between lungs and blood, exchange of oxygen and CO2 between lungs and blood. The second part is internal respiration. The internal respiration is exchange of oxygen and CO2 between blood and tissues. Internal respiration is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and other tissues. Next point is phases of respiration. What are the phases of respiration? There are two phases of respiration. The first one is inspiration, that is breathing in, and second is expiration, that is breathing out. So let us see about inspiration, that is breathing in. In this phase, air enters into lungs. In this phase, air enters into lungs from atmosphere. It elevates ribs and sternum. It elevates ribs and sternum, expands lungs, and contract diaphragm. It is an active process. It is an active process. Inspiration is an active process. The second part is expiration. EXPIRATION. Expiration, that is breathing out. In this phase, air leaves, LEAVES, leaves the lungs. In this phase, air leaves the lungs. In this process, lungs decrease in size. In this process, lungs decrease in size. Rib cage releases down. Rib cage releases down, and diaphragm relaxes. It is a passive process. It is a passive process. Now next topic is respiratory organs. There are two types of respiratory organs. The first one is upper respiratory tract and the second one is lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract. So move towards upper respiratory tract. It has three organs. Upper respiratory tract have three organs. The first one is nose. This is an opening. This is an opening that gives way to air from atmosphere to respiratory system. First one is nose. First organ is nose. It is an opening that gives way to air from atmosphere to respiratory system. The second organ is pharynx. Pharynx. Pharynx, that is throat. So throat is a tube. Throat is a tube that delivers air from the nose to trachea. Throat is a tube that delivers air, delivers, delivers air from the nose to trachea, trachea. And the third organ of upper respiratory tract is larynx, larynx, larynx. That is our voice box, voice box. It is a hollow organ that allows to talk. It is a hollow organ that allows to talk and make sounds when air moves in and out. It is a hollow organ that allows to talk and make sounds when air moves in and out. So these are the three organs of upper respiratory tract. Now move towards lower respiratory tract. Our lower respiratory tract has 6 organs. The first one is trachea, 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 that is windpipe. It is a passage that connects throat to lungs. It is a passage that connects throat to lungs. It made with muscle as well as cartilage. It made with muscle and cartilage both. The second part is bronchi, bronchi, bronchi. There is 2 in number tubes at the bottom of windpipe. Windpipe, that is trachea. So bronchi is 2 in number tube at the bottom of windpipe that connects trachea to lungs. That connect trachea to lungs, both lungs. The third organ is bronchiolis and alveoli. Bronchiolis are the tree branch-like structures inside the lungs, and at the tip of bronchiolis there is sac-shaped structure known as alveoli. There is sac-shaped structures at the tip of bronchiolis called alveoli, where exchange of gases takes place, means oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in alveoli. The fourth organ is lungs. The lungs are paired organs. Lungs are paired organs that helps in the exchange of gases. They removes oxygen from inhaled air pass it into the blood. They removes oxygen from the inhaled air, pass it into the blood and exhale carbon dioxide. The fifth organ is pleura, Pleura, pleura. Pleura is the outer covering of lung. Pleura is outer covering of lungs. And the sixth and last organ is diaphragm. Diaphragm, it present below the lungs. It is a big muscle that helps in respiration. This is primary muscle of respiration. It contracts during inhalation and relaxes during exhalation. The next point is lungs volume. Lungs volume. The first one is tidal capacity of lungs. Tidal capacity of lung, that is 500 ml. What is tidal capacity? It is the amount of air in one inhalation during relax. It is the amount of air in one inhalation during relax. The second one is vital capacity. Vital capacity of lung is 4,500 ml, and it is the maximum amount of air inhaled forcefully in one breath. Vital capacity is 4,500 ml. That is maximum amount of air inhaled forcefully in one breath. And total capacity of lungs is 6,000 ml, that is 6 liters. The next point is analysis of gases in respiration. So inspired air are oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, that is major amount. These gases present in atmosphere in major amount. So these three gases we calculate for breathing. The inspired air, oxygen is 21%, nitrogen 79%, and carbon dioxide 0.03%. We inhale 21% oxygen, 79% nitrogen, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, that is negligible. So major amount covered by oxygen and nitrogen. And exhaled air amount is, we inhale 21%, but we exhale near about 16%. We exhale near about 16%, that is 15.97%. Nitrogen we inhaled 79% and exhaled as same 79%. Carbon dioxide we inhaled 0.03% but exhaled 5.03%. Means we using 5% oxygen in every breath. In every breath we using 5% oxygen that converts into carbon dioxide. Now next point is effect of pranayama. The word pranayama, the word pran. In pranayama, the word pran is a Sanskrit word. It means vital energy or life force energy. The word pran is a Sanskrit word that means vital energy or life force energy. Yogis believe that Yogis believe that you can change the flow and qualities of your energetics. Yogis believe that you can change the flow and qualities of your energetics by breath control. Through altering your breath, you can change your state of mind. Through altering your breath, you can change your state of mind. For example, you may practice left nostril breathing, that is 𝐸 Pranayama, and B breathe, that is Bhramari Pranayama, to calm down. And right nostril breathing, that is Surya-Bhedi Pranayama and Kapalbhati for alertness. So this was all about respiratory system, which we want to know in yoga. I think you understand this concept. And now I am going to close the class. So sit in any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight, adopt chin mudra, eyes closed. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale for 3 times sound, followed by closing mantra. Om. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu, ma kasyid dukha bhag bhavet. Om. Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently by blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining me.